Hi everyone. In case you have invested in the direct equity shares or you have sold your mutual fund in the financial year 2019-20, you need to report your capital gain. That may be your short-term capital gain, can be your long-term capital gain. You need to report that capital gain while filing ITR 2. ITR 2, if you have invested in the equity shares or in the mutual funds and you have income from that, right? You need to report that under ITR 2. Now, to report capital gain in ITR 2, you need to have profit and loss statement. So, if you have your demat account with Upstox, how you can generate your profit and loss statement? So, simply visit this website. This is back office of the Upstox. So, simply visit this website. Then user type client, your user code, and then password. Enter login. Once you log in on this website, under bill tab you have profit and loss option. So click on profit and loss. Then company is like all equity. If you have invested in the direct equity through Upstocks, but all these things keep as it is. Then change the date, as we are doing this for financial year 2019. So I'm select 1920 financial year 2019-20. So I'm selecting dates 1st of April 2019 and then till 31st March 2020. Simply click on go. So once you click on go, you will have enter profit and loss statement over here. Simply export that profit and loss statement to either Excel or to PDF. And if some CA person is filing your ITR2 on behalf of you, you need to give this profit and loss statement to your CA so that he can report capital gain in ITR2, right? So where exactly capital gain in ITR2 you need to report. So you need to file ITR2 offline. So this is the Excel sheet that you need to fill up. So in this you have tab schedule 112A, right? So these are the options you will have under this schedule. So you need to like, if under this tab you have option on or before 31st January 2018 and after 31st January 2018. So remember, before 31st January 2018 there was no long-term capital gain, and after 31st January 2018 there is 10% long-term capital gain. So accordingly you need to select the date, then select ISIN code for that particular share. So this ISIN code you will find that in the exported Excel sheet, right? And then name of that share. So let's say if you have bought shares of the Reliance, so you need to enter that name, the number of shares, right? And then sale price. So all these details on this window you will find in the Excel sheet generated from Upstox, right? And then this will be like, this is all these details you can find in that profit and loss statement. So that's it. So this is how you need to take out your capital gain statement from Upstox back office. Yes, that's it. Thank you.